Is it? Hi. Yes.
Oh, hi.
Mom's in the picture. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Okay. We have no idea what we're doing right now.
Ow! Ow! Abuse.
What did you get from making out with the air and then deciding to go all the way? Freak.
It's not nice.
She's getting all nasty with air. It's just not right.
Hi, guys.
Oh, turn your head. Turn your fucking head. I don't know. You can't really see it. No. You can't really see it, but we dyed our hair today. Mine's cooler because it's more than one color. There's two more than one color. Thus making it cooler.
Put it down.
Two colors.
Put it away. Ow. That was
You're not a child anymore.
Yeah, I am.
No. You're 18. You're not a child anymore. You're old enough to vote.
But I'm not done. The nipple tape. I don't want it.
That would be an awkward thing to explain to Nathan why the nipple tape is on the chair. Congratulations. How does that make you feel inside?
I'm trying to show the camera something, not you, so you can turn away.
Angela drew on me.
That's hair dye.
That is not hair dye. It's not my fault.
It's always your fault.
I have a sticker on my booties.
Nice.
Nipple tape. Alright, so YouTube wasn't accepting our webcam, so this is our remake.
Ow. Ow.
Good. But it's not quite as interesting because we're not dancing. YouTube's irritated us even though it's the best thing in the world, so YouTube, go back to the way you should be.
What was that?
That was the nipple tape.